Releasing air from a tire is a common task, but safety is key. Here's how to do it right. First, park on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Remove the valve cap from the tire's valve stem. Use a tire pressure gauge, valve stem tool, or even a screwdriver to gently press the pin inside the valve stem. This releases air. Use the gauge to monitor the pressure. Deflate in small increments, like 5 to 10 psi at a time, checking the pressure each time. Once you reach the desired pressure, replace the valve cap securely. Remember to reinflate later if needed. Using proper tools prevents sudden air release and valve damage. TPMS systems are common in modern cars, so be aware that deflating might trigger a warning light. Understanding tire pressure is crucial for safe tire deflation. Passenger vehicles typically operate around 30 to 35 psi. Overinflation can cause blowouts, while underinflation leads to uneven wear. Never deflate hot tires immediately after driving, as this can cause distortion. Avoid deflating below 20 psi to prevent rim damage. Be mindful of temperature changes, as cooler temperatures lower tire pressure. Tools like a tire pressure gauge are essential for accurate deflation. Always recheck tire pressure post-adjustment to ensure vehicle stability. The correct tools are key to ensuring a safe deflation. If you have a TPMS system on your car, be sure to know how it could be impacted.